Hi, welcome to our class together. I am absolutely thrilled to teach this class. This is my first time teaching it, and we're trying something new this semester. So, y'all are guinea pigs, which you should be used to that, right? And I'm really curious to hear your feedback as we go through the course. So, I'll probably check in here and there to find out how it's going for you. But I thought before we actually began that I should talk to you a little bit about the structure of the course. Um, EDUC 414 is a course that focuses on the development of young children, looking at both biological and emotional development, and how that interfaces with curriculum and what we do in the classroom. So the way that we will structure the class is that most of the class will be online. However, there will be 5 in-person classes throughout the semester. And I wanted to give you those dates ahead of time so that I know that some of you are interested in substituting or maybe you have work schedules so that you could plan accordingly. All of our classes are on Tuesdays, and the time is 12:30 to 3:15. So that's, you can see that was how the class was structured in the view. So we will meet for the first time on January 17th, and we'll meet in Hostetler Chapel. I'll give you more information about that coming up, but I wanted you to block out that date. The second date is in February 28th. We will meet on campus as well, and following the presentation, there's an optional driving tour if you're interested. On the 21st, we'll also meet. I'm still going back and forth with some of the guest speakers to determine the location. So just keep that date free on your schedule. April 4th, we'll have a field trip to the Harrisburg Capitol, the state Capitol building. So I'll let you know more details on the exact location closer to time. And then on the 25th, that will be our last meeting, and we'll have the opportunity to participate in TED Talks here on campus. So stay tuned. I wanted to highlight that there are 4 guiding questions that will focus our work together in this course. And the modules that you'll see on Canvas are connected to those guiding questions. So the questions that we're going to unpack together deal with big, broad ideas concerning issues of educating young children. So the first module is, what does it mean to learn? The second module, how does schooling impact children? Module 3, what factors influence the development of children? And the last module is, how can teachers advocate for children? So as a result of reevaluating the curriculum for this course, I decided that it was best suited to provide a combination of actual experience, whether it's a field trip, guest speaker, simulation, and projects. So that's the core of the course. So you can see here there are experiences listed for each, which connect to one of our in-person meetings. And then there are assignments connected to each. A common thread throughout all of the modules is the importance of discussion posts and communicating with one another. And I will really try to mix it up a little bit so that it's not the same old, respond discussion posts. We'll try to do some different things there, but it's really important that you have the opportunity to talk to one another, whether it's in person, in small groups, or online, about some of these issues. And then you can see here, if you scroll down in the document, you can see the objectives for the course and where those objectives are met based on the module. So I'm not going to read that for you, just know that that is there for you to reference. So as you are looking forward to your last semester here, you can jot down these dates in your calendar. You're expected to attend all of those events. And I look forward to having you in class. I'm really excited to see you again as seniors. knowing that the last time I saw many of you, you were probably sophomores. So I can't wait to see how you've grown as educators. So I look forward to our first in-class meeting. In the meantime, I'm sure you'll have other messages from me based on, what's happening in the course and how to understand Canvas and all of that. But I wanted to get this message out to you as soon as possible as you were planning your spring semester. I will see you soon.